Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best sofa covers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Maytex Pixel Stretch 2-Piece Slipcover. The big benefit is into this slipcover is that it has 2 pieces adding as one for the backrest and base of the couch, and also as another for the seat cushion. This would be making the slipcover as to be much more natural as it looks like a standard couch rather than a sofa that has one big slipcover draped over it. This cover has deep elastic corners as which helps the slipcover stay in place. The fabric is stretchy and can fit furniture between 74 inches and so as the 96 inches wide, that is up to 34 inches high, and up to 38 inches deep. Plus it is also easy to match your existing room decor. It is accessible in different colors ranging from charcoal, chocolate, dark olive, sand, and wine. The cover is machine washable. At number 4. Easygoing Stretch Sofa Slipcover. The subtle and soft finish of this beige slipcover lets you use it on diffract-styled chairs. It fits a sitting area between 60 to 81 inches thanks to its stretchable design. Not only that but also you can pick other sizes that suit various seat styles like the sofa, recliner, oversized sofa, love seat and even chair. This cover is made from superior fabric including polyester and spandex for elasticity and softness. We love this furniture protector that keeps your sofa free of dirt, stains and daily wear. Use the provided installation guide to complete the setup in under 10 minutes. If you're installing with a friend, it can take less than 5 minutes. Additionally, machine wash this fabric at 30 degrees Celsius water temperatures with mild detergents. At number 3. RHF Reversible Sofa Cover. If you have ever used a furniture protector that slides out now and then, it's time to change. Not only does this RHS sofa cover stay in place but also improves your installation. With an elastic strap, it prevents sliding although the manufacturer recommends not to use for leather couches. We love the reversible design with a stylish trim that brings out a fresh look in any room for any season. Remove dirt, stains and food spills quickly, thanks to this item's machine-safe structure. Simply use cold water when washing and the cool setting for drying. Moreover, it comes in a variety of sizes that protect an extra-wide sofa, chair, recliner, loveseat, futon and even a standard chair. At number 2. Sofa Shield Sofa Protector. This is a large sofa protector that covers your furniture without leaving any space untouched. It has a higher thread count that offers an additional soft feel. Also, it is thick thanks to the plush filling to improve comfort. No more scratching, thin and small experiences when installing a slipcover. Simply choose a size that fits your seat dimensions, including small, large or extra large. Moreover, you can select a shape, size, pattern and color from the wide choices available. Made from quality material, this unit is sleek and yet durable. It does not need intensive maintenance and cleaning like the others in the market. Throw it inside your home washing machine to remove dirt and stains. And finally at number 1. Easygoing Sofa Slipcover. If you live in a house full of kids and pets, you need to protect your sofa from physical damages. Using this slipcover gives you an instant and affordable solution to prevent stains, food spills, dust, dirt and other elements from damaging your seat. Not only that but also children can play with their pets anytime knowing your lounger has full protection. Another thing is the lovely army green finish to bring out a lively feel in any atmosphere. You can choose the size that fits a 25-inch chair, 46-inch loveseat, 66-inch sofa, 28-inch oversized recliner and more dimension. Also, this item is crafted from thick microfiber with elegant quilted texture. The fabric is color-fast, which lets you clean it many times without fading or discoloring. What's more, the elastic straps and 2 foam pipes prevent sliding. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.